What's up? It's JD at JD's Custom Buggies. Just want to give everybody a quick look at this throttle rod assembly that we've developed. We're going to be offering as a kit for anybody who wants to adopt a slide carburetor to their 150cc buggy. We want to make it simple enough that you could adopt it to almost anything. So this particular setup that we're looking at would be able to work on Hammerheads, Trailmasters, Carter, Talons, anything that we consider what's a strut buggy. If your front end looks like this, then this should fit. What we're looking at here is a newer Trailmaster Blazer 150S. We did a little custom exhaust work on it, but we have a slide carb in there and big old 2-inch unifilter on a velocity stack. So what we need to make this work was a way to operate it with your gas pedal. So what the kit's going to include is the cable itself, this mount that requires 2 holes drilled through the floorboard. And that's the only alteration you have to really do to the buggy as far as this is concerned. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. You have a rod with a bolt that goes where the cable barrel used to go, the stock cable barrel. And this rod goes down to where the cable is mounted to. It's got a return spring. There's also a return spring in your pedal already. Plus, slide carburetor has a return spring in the slide. So it should hopefully guarantee that this throttle will never get hung up. So, like I said, requires 2 holes in the floorboard, and all the hardware is included, and will come attached actually, so there's not too much guessing on where everything goes. The throttle cable, the tension is also adjustable by this cable mount. So you break this bolt loose. It's got a lock nut to keep tension on it, keep it from backing off, and you just tighten it up. You don't want it to change the idle, but you want to make sure that there is no slack, or as little slack as possible. And most people ask me, why go with a slide carb? It's something that I stumbled on with a bunch of friends of mine years and years ago. A friend came up with an idea of, hey, why don't we use dirt bike carburetors? So we couldn't see that, why not? What we found was that not only if jetted right, they tend to be a little more zippier, but the throttle response is so much better than what comes on a stock CV car. There's no vacuum lag. When you let off the gas, it drops. When you hit the gas pedal, it picks right up, and as fast as you can move your foot on the gas pedal is pretty much the response you get from the carburetor, unlike what comes stock on a 150cc buggy. I'm just going to give you a quick demo. I don't know how this is going to turn out on video, but we're going to start the buggy. And we're just going to watch the cable. So you can see, as fast as I can move that pedal, you can get a response out of the carburetor. So, if anybody's interested, they can contact me via Facebook at either JD Plakiotis, JD, last name is Plakiotis, or you can contact me through JD's Custom Buggies via Messenger on Facebook, or gotbuggy.com. Best way is by telephone, 941-286-6703. This initial kit here, as far as the cable and the hardware, the throttle rod, the mount, and everything, it's going to sell for $69.99. We're gonna price everything out, so if you need a complete kit, which would include carburetor, velocity stack, jets, what you see here, everything you would in the intake, whatever you would need to get it started, we're gonna price that out as a kit also. We're working on that right now. So if there's any questions, like I said, you can contact me through Facebook, through gotbuggy.com, phone number 941-286-6703. It's JD's Custom Buggies. Thank you.